up, everyone? Come back to one day trip, so I'm already inside. So that's Ryan's ride. Hi. What's up?
How you doing?
Good. So that's everyone.
Grace just gotta get a little piece.
Soundstripe. Yeah, I didn't made it. I have to pick it up and catch up.
Was it flying with us?
Yeah, it was flying
What the fuck
behind us. It was too far, so I had to land it and pick it up.
Oh shit. Oh, I was wondering why you stopped.
That's why I was left behind.
I slowed down for a bit after I looked and I'm like, I hope you're all good, but then I see you moving again, so.
Yeah, I had to wait for it. Where was it? So to see it.
Set up before the winds come. I can feel them coming.
Set up here?
Yeah, the winds are supposed to get pushed.
Oh. So yeah, set up here. bait is moving. That's 7.5 meters. Oh, something. Able to see some.
Fucking 2 bars, but it's not letting me send any messages out.
Sucks I can't play fucking music.
Yeah, I gotta go find. I gotta get a rope thing done. I gotta go find get this message out.
Remember if you drop.
Holy fuck! Bite it! Damn it! Still there! Come on, bite it! Trying to video it. Come on, don't swim around. Oh! Burpee!
Hey, you gotta give one to the gods, right? You gotta give one to the gods. Oh, thank God I got that on video.
It was only a small bird.
Tails up, man.
Yeah.
Tails up.
Ah, nice eyes. Woo. Nice catch.
Alright, Davey.
I'm gonna show this.
What's up,
All three
brother?
of them is here.
It is.
A nice setup here.
Boys fishing trip. Let's do this.
Three of us here too.
Yo. Nice, let's go.
Nice. First fish.
22.
22. Woo. That's a good size.
He is master, man.
23.
23 and a half. Yeah, 23. Nice fish, bro. Oh,
Is it good?
watch him. Oh, well, he's too big to keep.
That's the end of our one-day trip. So we pack up and head back before it gets too dark. But sadly, the machine that I'm using suddenly shut down and won't start. And we have no choice but to leave it in a lake for the rest of the night.
The next day.